Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News, and as we focus on some upcoming cultural events, we talk about specific dates like Jomo Jammin' that took place, or it's taking place August 7th and the 14th, the Cultural Arts Preview taking place specifically on Saturday the 14th as well, and Emily Frankowski from Connect2Culture rejoins us. Now, Emily, I want to let people know that there also are some exhibits that you have that are open for an elongated period of time that they can kind of make time to do. And one of those, of course, is at the Spiva Center for the Arts. And I'd like to start with Carolyn Cardenas that you were telling me about. Yeah, a little bit about her background that you were informing me.
Yeah, so Carolyn Cardenas is actually a previous department head for art at Missouri State University, so right down the road in Springfield. And her partner, Bobby Ross, they are going to have an exhibit in the main gallery at Spiva Center for the Arts that it will start at the end of July and go through September. So you'll have plenty of time to head to Spiva and check it out.
All right, and then we have Craft and Canvas. I do want to point out that this is for 21 and older folks, but there's a good reason for that. Because we're going to do Craft in Kansas at Chaos Brewing. So that sounds like a good time. This is coming up on Thursday, August the 5th.
Yes, you're exactly right. And this is the first Thursday of the month. So I'm kind of assuming that if it all goes well, that this will become kind of a monthly offering. But Crate and Sip Studios, which is actually right down the road from Chaos Brewery on Main Street in Joplin, they're partnering and doing this, kind of a sip and paint event with Chaos Brewery Brews. So with your $40 entry, you will get everything that you need to create a piece of artwork, and you'll get step-by-step instruction by an artist, instructor, and included in that $40 price is a drink ticket. So you'll get to kind of experience Chaos Brewery's beers on tap, and they're all locally brewed right here in Joplin.
And once again, that's at Chaos Brewing coming up on Thursday, August the 5th. John Coleman from Create and Sip right there. I know a number of people who take part in the old the paintings. And the thing is, once you go to one, folks, you're going to find the next one and go to it. Next thing you know, you're going to have a hallway with your own artwork that you've been able to put together. Emily, I want to thank you so much for joining us. Emily Frankowski of Connect2Culture. If it weren't for Emily and her wonderful organization, we'd be a whole lot less privy to a whole bunch of great events that you put on. Emily, thank you so much.
Thanks for having us.
All right, we'll be back with more KOAM Morning News right after this.